Hello, guys. It's another wonderful morning. Freaky conquer shit called GJ, man. Freaking shit. I'm a bit pissed about it. Yesterday, if you recall, our analysis was like spot on. Let me just show you a bit of it here. If any of you recalls, I said what? This is probably gonna at least reach up to here before it decides to turn back, if it wants to turn back, or just pass through all the way to here. And guess what it did? Guess what? It freaking did. This would have been, I think, 1:5. Let's just see. Yeah, roughly 1:5, man. Damn. So what took us out? This freaking spike down. Lessons from this, I guess. Maybe we should put our stops even a bit more lower. If you notice, this was just around 15 pips, and the stop was at 16. Okay, it was already lower. Maybe going forward I should put it like at 3 pips lower. I mean, from here. So instead of 16, it should have been like 17. But then again, you don't know. Maybe the spread would have taken us out. But either way, the analysis was good. Everything was good. This spike down is what fucked us up, man. Freaking mess. So today we have another wonderful day that we could see how we're gonna take advantage of. Let's see. Oh wow, check this out. But I usually don't have so much confidence or trades at this level. I'm unlikely going to take it, this opportunity, because if any of you remembers or recalls what I was saying a bit earlier, 3 days ago, I guess. I was trying to explain how I enter. Oh wow, there's no music, right? You can't go on without music. Oh. What the frick is happening here again? Hey, what the hell?
I'll be whatever you want. Just tell me you love me or not, whatever it costs. I know I'm talking a lot. There's something I gotta get off. Don't wanna be this no more. I don't wanna drink no more. Always gotta do the most. Thinking that I'm insecure. Really should've listened more, but I don't, of course. I'm an asshole. I'm a good guy. I'm your best friend. I'm the worst type. Tell you everything that you heard right. Just so I can fuck on the first night. Feel like I'm losing hope. Running from coast to coast. I don't know where to go. It's all I've ever known. I'm so cool, I'm a billionaire. I got my own gold digger. If I wasn't this way, I'd rather die. I don't know.
So I'm doing this just to show you what I was referring to the last time. If you recall correctly, I think it was yesterday, right? Yeah, I think the day before yesterday. Hey, come on. Why is everything freaking slow? My phone. Hey. Yeah. So this is position 1. This is position 2. This is position 3. So if you recall correctly, I say that this position 3, I don't like trades here because they have much less likelihood of going higher compared to here, and this trade have a much less likelihood of going higher compared to here. So I prefer when I see this when it happens at a confluence, especially at a confluence. So if price comes back to this point, and then forms an engulfment, then boom, that's position 1, and I could go it targeting this previous high, okay, or I could just go simply for a standard entry of 1:1. I mean, standard TP of like 1:1, 1.5, 1:1.5, 1:2, depending on how the market is going to go. Or if there's any particular SR line here, I could just target that. So this is the essence of what I look for. Maybe if I could just add something here. Yeah, so this is how it is. This is position 1, 2, and 3. Position 2 is just generally the middle level of somewhere here. So that's where position 2 is. But position 1 and 3 is highly more structured. So it's either the confluence right down here or position 3 now. These are the previous high. So if this was to turn, I wouldn't be looking at it. In most cases anyway. Anyway, maybe we should begin the trading checklist right now. See how it's going to. What is this? No, it's perfect. Yo, what the hell, man? Hey. In fact, guys, what is even a bit more tempting to me is entering based on this. But I think it's been already fulfilled. It's gone for this 1:1. You see. 16. Oh yeah. Anyway. You can see what is happening. We've got a confluence here. There's this down. Bottom line, there's a support resistance line. So it's really quite a lot of hindrance to price up here. I'll be surprised if it just breaks all through and goes high. If it does, say today, it's either going to form a pin bar or tomorrow it's going to just come back down again, going to retest this area. So at this point, as long as it hasn't broken this trend line, I'm like, okay, this is gonna be obeyed. The trend line is gonna be obeyed. You know? It's a strong level. I'm going to talk about that as I'm waiting for this shit here to open. Sorry. Come on. Ah, we got it, guys. We freaking got it. What the hell? So today is the 6th. GG. Check for news. Let's see. So we're gonna be a bit quick today. Yesterday I was just trying to explain a lot of stuff. How I'm going about my checklist. So today, done as fast as possible. So there's not much news this morning to London, except for construction PMI. It's quite a bit later. Kind of just has a low expected. Okay, we could have, but okay, it's still very low. Because I'm thinking housing is a bit of a big thing in London, and it's one of the things I think the Bank of England committee. If you don't know Bank of England, that's their central bank. The Bank of England committee checks out. So they could be looking at this, and it could be a decision for them to or rather one of the decisions for them to maybe they should start hiking rates up to pull off the sector. So it's focused to be lower. Okay, so this is today's bomber. This is today's bomber. This usually moves the market, not as much as NFP, but it sort of anticipates the NFP. Whatever comes out of here tends to also happen in NFP. Just see something here. Look, the forecast is higher than the actual. Same thing in NFP. So you say if this obeys the forecast, it ends up being higher, or as high as this or close to this. Then guys are going to be more confident this is going to also obey the focus. But if it happens this is lower and significantly lower, say as low as this, then guys are going to doubt this, and it's going to be much more interesting in NFP. That's how I see it. That's how I see uh, the importance of this. So it's a pretty good one to watch to help you predict what's going to happen on Friday. Next, is this FMC member speaks. Oh wait, the same guy is speaking twice. Jeez. Well, anyhow, I'm expecting him more or less say the same thing or echo whatever the other agreed on. I've said before that they're expecting what do we call? They feel like conditions have already been met for them to start reducing tapering, and he's just going to agree with that mostly. Maybe he's going to disagree in terms of timeline. Maybe things should wait more, or maybe they should wait less, just begin immediately. But it's expected in November or December, the US is going to begin tapering. And if US does that, UK should follow very, very shortly. That's what I'm thinking. Crude oil, based on what came out on Monday, this should cause the market to be a bit more reactive today. You just check out oil a bit. Wow. Yeah. Interesting. Sicilian news. No, it's coming out much later. I don't think it's gonna affect the market, so I'm just gonna write now. Support resistance lines drawn. Yes, this is very important to always check out every single day. Why? The market could have moved so far that the relevant support resistance lines he had drawn before aren't applied in that particular area that the market is, price action of the market is right now. So it's always good to just, reaffirm or just check with yourself if maybe you should add a line or two somewhere, something of the sort. Yeah. So according to me, yeah, maybe this zone is just a place to check out, nothing else. Instead of having too many lines, I'll just draw. But there are already too many lines. I'm gonna lie. I'm just gonna do this. So in case it goes down. That's what I'm expecting. Should be some bit of a pause at this point. Okay, so I'm gonna write down. I'm not expecting a downturn. Why? Because as I said, I'm on the daily and looking at. Check out the power, trending down. Oh, I haven't checked the weekly in a while. Oh wow. This changes everything. Oh wow. This changes everything. Well, it's still in the week, so but let me just explain what exactly I'm kind of getting from this. Wait, whoa. Okay, I'm just first of all gonna do the basics here. Yeah. So, let me just expand a bit. My interest is just this particular point. You see this? Actually, note something. We've had engulfments going down like this on the weekly, but we haven't had a single one going up. We've had pin bars, yes, but not a single one going up. If this is here closes even where it is or goes a bit higher to this point, then the whole of next week you're just gonna be looking at those. That's it. Like that's freaking it. Okay? That's awesome to me. That's awesome to me. Which kind of confuses me because what I wanna do right today is probably a bit different than sort of counter to it. However, I would say today's news of the ADP and Friday's news of NFP should help us decide on this. It should push the market quite high. So, I mean, okay, one would wonder why in the world am I caring about ADP and NFP, and those are US news, not, and this is G and J, pound and yen. Well, quite a bit of pound is traded against the majority of it, if I'm going to be honest. The majority, but the large part, the significant part of the pound trades against the US dollar. So if you just have that in mind, whatever happens to the pound USD is probably also going to happen, or influence what's going to happen on this one too. Yeah, so that's what I'm thinking. But I'm not interested in predicting that because I don't trade news. So I don't trade, like I'm waiting for the news to come out, I present this position and I'm just hoping for it to go in a certain direction or blah blah blah. I don't do that. So yeah, but that's the reason why I have USD there. So for today alone, I'm gonna go with downtrend, and this is why. Where the market position is, I could also show you here. There's this, okay, and then at the same time there's also this. So that's why in trading checklist I'm gonna be downtrend. Next, daily candle rotation. Here's where it's a bit tricky. So here's where it could make me either get a loss today or a small profit, but it's a bit of a decider today because at this particular point, the feel I get is you could get, something of this sort, not these huge candles, but something of this sort. So we're probably gonna get a small candle here, and it could stay in this tight situation probably up until ADP news comes out. But yeah, generally I'm not expecting much of a change for the next few hours into London session. So it kind of gives me a bit of confusion because I would like to be all bullish, but I feel like this has already went. The importance of this engulfment has already went. So I'm not expecting it to influence much what is going to happen here. But at the same time, this is a disconfluence, which means there's going to be a lot of rejection effects. Which means there's a likelihood this could go down. But the way I see it, it's like when the market is ready, like really ready to go down, quite a lot of times it does an engulfment. You've seen it here. This was the decider, then boom, went down. So here, this was the decider, then boom, it went down. So here, boom, a bit of an engulfment here. Still there's some, movement down. So that's the thing. So that's why I'm feeling this could stay like this. Then the next day we could see boom, a sell candle take us down. Then again, NFP and the ADP. Wow. Okay, so that brings me to the daily candle expectations. I have no idea what it said about this. No idea. Maybe you could just write no idea. Maybe this would help us, this too, figure out whatever is the next few hours. So let's have a look. Wow. Now if you recall yesterday, I said what? Like, I'm expecting this range to be sort of strong. So I wasn't expecting it to come out of this range. If you recall what I was saying, what I explained yesterday. So look. Okay. Hold on just a bit. Just 1 second. Just want to confirm. Oh damn. I hate this. I was hoping that this would have made quite a bit of a move down so that I could go with it. So, kinda confused, do I take it or not? We have this, we have that. Ah, fuck it. What the hell? I'm gonna see 8-9 pips. Oh, it's freaking great. I'm expecting a bit of a move down. As I said earlier, the daily. I'm expecting this is a confusing place. So you could also decide completely not to take any trade today. But then again, let's just see. Everything is risking and whatnot. So maybe it will turn out well for us. Maybe not. Ha! It's already going against me. Damn. Let me just try and finish up and see if I did the right thing or the wrong thing here. So there's quite a bit of some downside pressure on this, but it's still within the range. So I'm hoping for it to be a big deciding factor for me. Okay. Could see a bit of some upside push up until here to help it sort of recover. This, if you recall yesterday, I said what about this? There was an engulfment, and it just went boom all the way up. This was the up move that we saw. So pound yesterday was carried by this. Then we started to lose interest. The big drop here. No, so this is for today. This should do. Sorry. No. This one didn't have much of an influence yesterday. So uh, let's see how it's going to be. That's a really tricky area. I also don't like, as I said before, trading against the trend. So I'm just gonna see how it's going to go. If it just makes me a little bit of profit, maybe I'll come out. Um, let's just see. Let's have a look at what's going to go on. But it's in a tight range in daily. It's ready to be tight. Oh, hey Glenn, morning bro. Sorry, I'm just saying this. Oh, hey Glenn. Glenn Ramoshaba. Are you South African? I think I'm just gonna put it here. I'm not gonna give it so much room. Sorry, it's a bit too little. Yeah, no. And then just let it. Yes. Come on, push down, man. This kind of shows me there's a bit of a strong downside momentum, but it's quite hesitating. That's the thing about it. I feel like once it breaks this level here, then boom. You could see a push down. But at the same time, there's also this bit of formation. So if it goes high and breaks this level, then I know, okay, nah, we're done, you know. Yes. Okay. So, we've gotten some final momentum. I don't like this. Yeah, yeah, we're gonna be out. Yeah, this is what I don't like. So, unless it decides to go down the last 5 minutes, nah, I don't like that. Too much upper side momentum, because it feels like even if it closes on the green, it's still going to have some bit of momentum on the higher side still. So I don't like this. Come on. Ah, man, this sucks. Yeah, this I like. A pretty good ending. Okay, the thing is starting. Oh, shoot. Three more minutes. Come on, we can go low, man. Oh wow, let me send you guys another point. Interesting fire motivation. You guys recall I said I like these guys. Yesterday. The one that I really liked a lot. Biggest. Let's see. Nope. Yeah. A lot of guys probably know this already. But this is also one crazy one that I love. So if you need motivation today, it's interesting. Check it out, check it out, check it out. Fire for the day. Okay, so this is a pretty big deciding factor right now. See, it's just 1 minute away. It's gonna be very reactive. Okay, not very reactive. It's gonna be a bit reactive. Um, I'm just hoping it doesn't engulf, and if possible, it closes a bit lower. It's gonna give me much more confidence that okay, the next one could probably just shoot down, you know. Okay. I don't like the way it closed. I don't like the way it closed. Okay. So this one looks like it's going to go up. It's already doing its sort of weak creation at the start. So if it breaks the low of this is gonna give me a bit of hope. Then breaks low of this and we're good. You're gonna see more movement to the downside. There's of course gonna be some hesitancy over here. But at least at that point I could just put my SL to break even and just wait, or at least close to break even. Yeah. Yeah. Say it what? But anyway, let's just see. It's still early for the candle, that is. Yeah. Just give me a bit. Give me a minute.
And I've been chilling, watching the ocean with you. Baby, up with a slow motion crew. And we up in our growlings when people change, but not us. And we just chilling, kicking it, kissed by the sun. Could be soaked to the skin in the mall soon. I know she got the good vibes when seasons change, but we're the same. Even if I lost all my money, the zero runs deep, honey. And I don't need to speak a single word, 'cause you got me holding, holding. Even if my jokes sound funny, my tongue tied up on it. And I don't need to speak a single word, 'cause you got me holding, holding. 'Cause you got me holding. Even if my jokes sound funny, my tongue tied up on it. And I don't need to speak a single word, 'cause you got me holding, holding. 'Cause you got me holding. You got me holding, holding. Even if I lost all my money, the zero runs deep, honey. And I don't need to speak a single word, 'cause you got me holding, holding. Even if my jokes sound funny, my tongue tied up on it. And I don't need to speak a single word, 'cause you got me holding me up. Play me like a bass guitar, simmer down and mash me up. Tripping like I'm Jimmy at Woodstock. Me up, drum me round and go right for it. Shivers down my spinal cord. Oh, 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 oh. 'Cause you got me holding, holding. Even if I lost all my money, the zero runs deep, honey. And I don't need to speak a single word, 'cause you got me holding, holding. Even if my jokes sound funny, my tongue tied up on it. And I don't need to
Okay, what do we have here? Damn. Yeah, it's messing us up. Come on. Come on. Give me one for the gram, man. Give me one freaking fucking trade for the gram. Well, I'm not using Instagram yet. Or rather, what I have is a very private account, so. This is interesting.
I'm alone, I'm a broken home. I gave you all the bricks that I own and know. I'm letting go, I'm breaking these walls down, breaking these walls down. If you want adventure, then fly to home. But if you want to travel, then go alone. Yeah, what's the
I don't like this.
If you're gonna leave, I'ma let you go.
Okay, so I think today you're gonna be out early. From what I'm seeing. You're gonna be out early. Yeah. I was seeing a bit of all this move here. You could be taking advantage of as it tries to go down. There's also all this. Yeah. But then if it already breaks all this level and goes here, so I wouldn't be so hopeful. Maybe say there's a lot of rejection on the downside that I wasn't taking into consideration, which is why I should have done a sell. But then again, there's also this. This is also pretty strong. We crossover. I mean, this is the 180, this is the 365. So maybe that is my downside for this. Who knows? That is life. Such is life. It's already reached here. So yeah, not super hopeful anymore. But I'm not moving my stop loss. Let me just get hit at whatever level I'm gonna get hit. This is 88. So boom. Oh yeah, taking me out. Okay. I think that's just gonna be all for me today. I only do one trade a day and I'm done. So this is me being done today. Let me just say that. Hope I'll see you guys tomorrow in a much better, hopefully not. I'll do a recap and see where I did wrong, what I could have done better. Already I'm seeing here, I was already quite issuish about here. I started getting this to no, maybe I shouldn't enter on this, because this is just not quite a good place to enter. On the daily again, I was like, okay, this is probably gonna close. What do we say? I told you, bullish one, so maybe I shouldn't have gone for a sell. Another perspective is, okay, this was position 3. If you remember what I explained earlier, so maybe I shouldn't even have bothered entering on this at all. So that's a bit of a recap. Maybe tomorrow or look at the weekend, we could probably try and do a recap of everything. Okay, have a good day, guys. I hope you have a better trading day than me. I wish all this.